Hi. In physics, energy is the ability of an object or system to do work. It's a fundamental property of matter that dictates its capacity to induce change or perform work. Energy exists in various forms, including kinetic and potential energy, and can be transferred or transformed. Ability to do work. Energy is capacity to exert force over a distance, leading to work being done over a distance. Fundamental property. Energy is a fundamental aspect of matter, and we matter. Not a substance itself, but rather a property that describes its capabilities. Forms of energy. I'm just going to speak on the kinetic energy and potential energy. Energy manifests in various forms, such as kinetic energy, energy of motion associated with moving objects. Potential energy, stored energy due to object's position, structure, or other factors. Energy transfer and transformation. Energy can be transferred from one object or system to another, or transferred from one form to another. That is what I'm going to speak on. Transferred from one form to another. Conservation of energy, a fundamental principle stating that energy cannot be created or destroyed, but only transferred from one form to another, or transferred between systems. So I've chosen this topic to speak on being depressed or sad, okay? So since we are made up of energy, and that energy can be transferred from one form to another, this is where depression comes in, or sadness. Let's just take a moment, take a deep breath in, let it out. So something happens to us, boom. That's energy. And how it is formed and how we keep thinking about it, it can take a negative form pattern in our brain, in our mind. And it just keeps feeding and feeding and getting bigger and bigger and bigger. So this is where we lay in depression and or sadness. Now, when you actually experience this, it feels like you're going into a black hole. And when you're so far into that black hole, you feel as if you deserve to be there. That you are unworthy of anything else. So let's bring this energy to light. This depression, this sadness. You ready? All right. So I'm going to speak to your depression and or sadness. You as well can do the same thing, or you can just listen. Depression and or sadness. Please come to light of this energy that has taken form into another flight. I do not consent to this. I wish you to not consent to this. So because energy can be transformed, please, all this depression, negativity, and sadness, please release it here. All of it. It's being transferred over here. It is no longer yours to take on. I fill you up with love and light, with honor and respect. Yeah. It's being taken away. Please drink some water. And be kind to yourself. You are worthy. I am worthy. I don't deserve anything less. I do not deserve anything less. I am light. I am love. I have respect for myself. This sadness, this darkness, this depression, it is not me. It's an emotion. It's a state. All hurdles, we are just knocking down with force. Yeah, just knock those hurdles down. I thank you. I love you. I honor you. I respect you. Till next time.